Today is National Unity Day, or it is also called as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. The National Unity Day is celebrated every year on October 31st to commemorate the birth anniversary of India's first Home Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I solemnly pledge that
I solemnly pledge that
I dedicate myself
I dedicate myself
to preserve the unity,
to preserve the unity,
integrity,
integrity,
and security of the nation,
and security of the nation,
and also
and also
strive hard
strive hard
to spread this message
to spread this message
among my fellow countrymen.
among my fellow countrymen.
I take this pledge
I take this pledge
in the spirit of
in the spirit of
unification of my country,
unification of my country,
which was made possible
which was made possible
by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thank you.